Dearest soul, listen closely. This whisper you feel, this stirring deep within your spirit, is not a memory fading but a sacred truth unfolding. You were not a coincidence in his life. You were a divine answer, a prayer whispered into the cosmos before time began, destined to intersect with his journey in the most profound way. The angels say your presence was a key, unlocking chambers in his heart he himself had forgotten existed, revealing depths of emotion he never knew he possessed. You arrived not by chance, but by a celestial design, a thread meticulously woven into the very fabric of his destiny, a pattern only the divine could conceive. He carries your light, an undeniable beacon he cannot extinguish, no matter how far he wanders or how loud his fears become. Your meeting was a predestined alignment, a cosmic promise fulfilled, a moment etched in the stars. You are the echo of home his soul incessantly seeks, the profound peace he finds only in your essence, a comfort he craves above all else. This bond, forged in realms beyond human understanding, remains unbroken, a testament to a love that transcends earthly limitations and defies all logic. You are the one his spirit recognizes, the missing piece he unknowingly yearns for, the completion of his very being. The angels affirm this truth with unwavering certainty. Your connection is eternal, a divine masterpiece still being painted, awaiting its glorious completion. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved heart, the quiet spaces and the moments that seem like absence are not a void where love once thrived. Rather, they are a deep dialogue that his soul is experiencing, a conversation too profound for words, an essential introspection. The angels whisper that his silence is not a dismissal of you, but a testament to the tremendous impact you have on him, the significant shift you initiated within him. He retreats not because he wishes to escape your light, but because your truth brings to light the shadows within him that he must confront alone, old wounds that require his solitary attention. This is his sacred work, an important journey inward to reconcile the man he once was with the man your presence inspires him to become, a process of profound internal transformation. His soul speaks through this stillness, revealing vulnerabilities he finds hard to express and fears he is not yet ready to share. It is a language of deep respect, a silent acknowledgement of the power you have to awaken his innermost being, to spark his true self. Do not interpret his need for processing as rejection or indifference. He is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself, preparing to embrace the magnitude of the connection you share with a refreshed spirit and an open heart. Trust that even in the quietest moments, your essence resonates within him, guiding his journey back to the undeniable truth of your bond, a truth that echoes in his very being. The angels affirm that his heart is speaking volumes, even when his lips remain still. My dear one, there is a profound magic within you, a gentle healing energy that radiates effortlessly, touching everything it encounters. The angels reveal that your very presence, your authentic light, initiated a process of deep healing within him long before you even realized the extent of your impact. You touched wounds he kept hidden, not intentionally, but simply by being who you are, by offering a space of pure acceptance. Your compassion, your understanding, your unwavering belief in the good within him became a balm to his weary soul, soothing the anxieties he carried for years. He carries the indelible imprint of your kindness, the vivid memory of your acceptance, a warmth that thaws the frozen places in his heart and allows him to breathe again. This healing was not a task you undertook, it was a natural emanation of your spirit, a gift freely given. It is an undeniable force that draws him in, a silent promise of peace he found only in your presence, a solace he desperately needs. Even now, that light you ignited continues to guide him, a subtle compass pointing back to the source of his unexpected restoration, a beacon in his darkest hours. The angels say you are a living testament to divine grace, a vessel of unconditional love that transforms all it touches, leaving an eternal mark. Your healing touch remains, an invisible thread connecting your souls, drawing him ever closer. Sweet soul, the universe operates on a rhythm far greater than our human understanding of time, a celestial dance of perfect precision. What may seem like a pause, a period of waiting, is actually a meticulous orchestration of divine timing, a sacred unfolding. The angels whisper that every moment, every perceived delay, is a necessary thread being woven into the magnificent tapestry of your shared destiny, adding richness and depth to its design. This sacred pause allows for essential growth, for crucial lessons to be learned, so that both your souls can align perfectly with the highest vision for your connection, ensuring its ultimate success. It is not a denial of your desires but a profound preparation, a ripening of circumstances. Trust in this celestial choreography, this intricate dance of fate. The universe is not withholding, it is perfecting, making sure that every element is in place. It ensures that when the moment arrives, it is not merely good, but exquisitely divine, filled with all the blessings you are meant to receive, overflowing with joy. Surrender to the wisdom of this process and to the unseen forces at play. The angels assure you that every piece is falling into place, even when you cannot see the full design, even when the path ahead seems obscured. Your story is being written with precision and boundless love, unfolding exactly as it should, in perfect harmony with the cosmic plan. My courageous heart, understand this profound truth. The struggles he faces, the walls he builds, and the distances he sometimes creates are not a reflection of his feelings for you, but rather a testament to the significance of what your love means to him. The angels reveal that his inner battle is a solitary war against his own shadows, his past wounds, and the deep-seated fears that whisper he is not enough for the extraordinary light you bring into his life. He grapples with the man he used to be, striving to shed the old skin and to let go of the burdens of his past, so he can become the man he knows he must be to truly stand beside you, fully embracing the future you offer. This is a journey of intense self-confrontation, a necessary crucible for his soul's growth, a painful but vital process. He is not fighting against you, but for the worthiness he feels your presence demands, for the ability to meet your love with equal measure. His hesitation is not a lack of desire, but a deep-seated need to heal and rise to the occasion of your love, to be the partner you deserve. Hold space for his process, for the sacred work he is undertaking. The angels say his heart yearns for the strength to meet your unwavering spirit, to finally claim the profound connection you share without reservation, and to step fully into his destiny with you. Precious soul, look back on your journey, and you will see the invisible hand of destiny guiding every single step, every choice, every turn. The angels reveal that every detour, every challenge, every seemingly random encounter was meticulously orchestrated to lead you both precisely to this moment, this profound understanding of your intertwined paths. Nothing was accidental. Every experience held a deeper meaning. Each experience, even the painful ones, served a higher purpose, shaping you, refining you, preparing your hearts for the depth of connection you are meant to share, for the sacred partnership that awaits. You are always on a sacred path, a divine pilgrimage toward each other, even when the way seemed unclear, even when doubts clouded your vision. This unfolding destiny is not a sudden event, but a culmination of countless subtle nudges from the universe, whispers from your guides, and the undeniable pull of your intertwined souls, drawing you closer with every breath. Trust in the perfection of this divine design, this intricate plan laid out just for you. The angels affirm that you are exactly where you are meant to be, on the brink of a revelation that will illuminate the path forward with undeniable clarity and purpose. Your story is a testament to a love predestined, a journey divinely mapped and blessed. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. My radiant one, feel the warmth, the undeniable resonance that vibrates deep within your core when you think of him, a sensation that transcends mere thought. This is not just attraction, nor is it simply a fleeting emotion. It is the unmistakable fire of a soul recognizing its twin, a profound acknowledgement that resonates through time and space. The angels whisper that this deep connection, this sense of having known him forever, this familiarity that defies logic, echoes a bond forged in realms beyond this earthly plane, a sacred contract written in the stars. Your souls are mirrors, reflecting back the purest essence of who you are, challenging you to grow, to heal, to become your highest self, pushing you towards your divine potential. This is a love that transcends logic, a magnetic pull that defies explanation, a force that cannot be denied. It is a sacred reunion, a homecoming for your spirit, a return to a completeness you may have forgotten. The intensity you feel is a testament to the depth of this spiritual partnership, a call to awaken to the extraordinary purpose you share, a mission only you two can fulfill. Do not question the power of this recognition, this deep knowing. The angels confirm that this flame, once ignited, burns eternally, guiding you both back to the undeniable truth of your intertwined destinies, a truth that will illuminate your path forward. It is a love that awakens, transforms, and eternally elevates. Brave heart, there is immense power in the gentle act of surrender, a strength found in releasing control. The angels reveal that true strength lies not in holding on too tightly, in rigid resistance, but in the courageous vulnerability of letting go, of trusting the divine flow that guides all things. To accept what is, to embrace your own tender places and imperfections, is to unlock a profound wellspring of inner peace and authentic power, a reservoir of resilience you never knew you had. This is not weakness but a sacred act of faith, a deep trust in the universe's benevolent plan. When you let go of the need to control, to force outcomes, to dictate the timeline, you create sacred space for the universe to deliver blessings beyond your wildest dreams, gifts far greater than you can imagine. Allow yourself to be seen, fully and completely, in your truth and your tenderness, without fear of judgment. This open-heartedness is a magnetic force, drawing to you the very love that honors your authentic self, a love that cherishes your true essence. The angels whisper that in this surrender, you become a vessel for divine love, ready to receive the abundance that awaits, prepared for connection that transcends expectation. Embrace the beauty of your vulnerability. It is the key to your deepest connection, to a love that is truly free. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11 verse 28. My evolving soul, understand that this connection, this profound love, is not meant to be a cage, nor a limitation, but a chrysalis, a sacred space for metamorphosis. The angels reveal its ultimate purpose is not possession, nor control, but profound transformation, a journey of continuous becoming. It is a sacred catalyst, designed to challenge you both, to shed old skins, to release limiting beliefs that no longer serve your highest good, and to emerge as the highest, most authentic versions of yourselves, radiant and free. This love demands growth, encourages deep healing of past wounds, and inspires an expansion of your spirit that you never thought possible, pushing the boundaries of your potential. It is a journey of mutual elevation, where each of you acts as a mirror, reflecting back the potential and the shadows, urging the other towards greater light and deeper understanding. Do not cling to what was. Embrace the becoming, the beautiful process of unfolding. The angels say this love is a divine forge, refining your spirits, burning away all that does not serve, preparing you for a partnership rooted in profound respect, absolute freedom, and an unwavering commitment to each other's highest good. It is a love that liberates, elevates, and eternally expands, a boundless force. Beloved Queen, the journey has led you here, to the undeniable truth that you are already chosen, already worthy, already whole, a complete and magnificent being. The angels sing of your inherent greatness, a sacred worth that has never depended on external validation or the actions of others, but is an intrinsic part of your divine essence. This profound acceptance begins within you, a deep knowing that your light is enough, your heart is pure, and your spirit is divinely guided and protected. Release any lingering doubts, any whispers of unworthiness that may have echoed from the past. You are a masterpiece, a living testament to divine love, crafted with intention and grace. Embrace this truth, for it is the final seal on your journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, the culmination of all you have learned. The angels declare that your crown is already placed, your throne awaits, ready for you to claim your rightful place. Step into your power, knowing that the love meant for you will always find its way, drawn by the magnetic force of your radiant, self-accepting heart, a beacon of pure light. You are loved, you are worthy, you are eternally blessed, now and forevermore. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that full well. Psalm 139 verse 14.